Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? Back with another video. Y'all, I am in my effortless era. I want to look good, but I don't want to do too much era. And I'm so thankful to HerGivenHair for partnering with me on this video to bring y'all their very new half wig. If you're an OG wig wearer, I'm talking like back in 2012, you know the girlie started with a half wig, a nice $20 synthetica. We've come a long way since then. This is a little bit more than $20, but it's going to last you forever and ever and ever. I have HerGivenHair wigs I've had for like 5 to 6 years now, and they still give. So you're definitely gonna get your money's worth because, girl, the curls are giving. Well, before I give you all the details, if you are new here and you've never seen my face, but you like my face, definitely be sure to subscribe so you can stick around. Give this video a thumbs up. A like goes such a long way to support my channel. All the links and everything will be down below. I'll also include a coupon code so you can save some coins on yours. Like I said, this is HerGivenHair's new half wig. I have the texture curly, which is supposed to mimic 3B, 3C hair. Y'all know I don't hair type like that, but HerGivenHair does, so I did want to give you all the deets. They also have a coily texture, which is supposed to mimic 3C4A. I'm definitely in between. I wish they had a texture that was an in-between of the curly and the coily. So this is my hair texture. My hair just isn't as silky as this is. So if HerGivenHair could give us this texture, but more of an afro-y type of surface texture, that would be perfect, if that makes sense. The coily texture is more afro-y like my hair, but the actual curls don't 100% mimic mine, if that makes sense. And they also have a kinky texture that's supposed to mimic 4C hair. I do have the length 18 inches, but feel free to get whatever length you prefer. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I am quite styling challenged. There's not many styles that I can do with my hair. I can do a twist out, I can do a braid out, and I just learned to do rod sets again. So those are like my go-to styles. I don't even do a ponytail. I can never rock a ponytail really well. I can never get my hair as sleek. It's always a struggle. But with this wig, I've been able to master so many different styles. And this is from somebody that is styling challenged, okay? I can rock it in a ponytail like this. Yes, it's a half wig. We can also convert it to a drawstring ponytail. So I'm giving you a pony. You can wear it as a traditional wash and go with some leave out. You can wear it as a headband wig. You can wear it as a half wig with your hair braided or twisted up in the front. Really, the styles are limitless. There's so much you can do, and it's super beginner friendly. This wig, I did not have to cut it whatsoever. Usually I have to cut my wigs and create like face framing layers, which isn't always the best for beginners, but with this wig, I didn't have to do any cutting whatsoever. It just lays how it's supposed to lay, and it's giving, okay? It's giving with little effort. But enough long talking, let's get into the styles. So this is what the hair looks like fresh out of the pack. All I did was just use a moisturizing shampoo, and without any products, you see it's mad defined. It does come with 4 combs, 1 in the front, 1 in the back, and 2 on the sides, as well as adjustable straps. And it also comes with a drawstring, of course, to make the pony. Now I'm just propping it on my head, and I take the combs out because I don't want to be bald, and I just use bobby pins. And like, look, like I haven't done anything to it, and it's cute, girl. Now I'm just doing 2 twists on the side because I didn't want to use any leave out. I'm going for easy breezy without trying too hard. So I'm not going to do the most. All I'm doing is just doing a little twist on the side, and I'm securing that twist with a bobby pin. And it just creates a nice, cute little headband. Now I'm just hitting the edges a little bit with some edge control. And usually I'm not really into edge control, but because this hair is a little bit silky, I wanted to get my Dominicana on. Now I'm going in with a bit of black mascara. This is a little trick that I picked up many years on YouTube, just to fill in any sparse areas from my braiding pattern. Again, we haven't even defined the hair yet, and it's giving. Now we're just going to define the hair a little bit. I don't like doing too much. again, I'm lazy. It's easy breezy. It's effortless. I'm just wetting it down with some water. Then I'm using some curl custard, just like I would with my natural hair, just to make the curls pop a little bit. I'm not going into super small sections. I'm taking big sections. I'm not doing the most. I'm not trying hard, babe. And look at this definition. To define this hair, it doesn't take a lot of product. It's just so simple for the lazy girls out there that want to look good without doing the most. Yes, you should use a diffuser, but I'm not doing that. That takes too long. I'm just using my concentrated nozzle just to hit it, dry it a little bit. Honestly, the sun outside is going to dry the hair either way. I'm not doing too much. I like to pick my hair. I like my hair to look nice and full. This hair has a natural density, so I like, a little jazzing it up a little bit. You can see the difference right here. I like adding just a little bit more volume for my big old face. And look at Linda. Look at Linda. It is so freaking cute and so simple. I got some compliments in my other videos about this wig, and girl, thank you so much, because yes, she gives. And if you want to take it up a notch, you can definitely add a headband. I like using a scarf just because I can customize it. I can match it to my outfit. And honestly, usually regular headbands be too small for my big old head. So I'm literally just wrapping the scarf around. You can see what I'm doing. You can wrap it how best you wrap your hair, but this is what I do when I just want to create a little cute headband. I just tuck in the ends. Very simple. I'm styling challenge, but this is how I make it twerk. Like, I just suck it up. Like, it just comes together. It just looks so good. It looks natural. It looks like my hair. Y'all, just super beginner friendly without any of the work. Now let's create a little pony, huh? I find that I need to use edge control for my buns. I just have the type of hair where it doesn't really like going up into a bun. It just gonna do what it wants, and I find the edge control sleeks my hair down more than gel. So I'm just struggling to put my hair into a high pony. You can also do a low pony. You can do a side pony. Like I said, this wig is really versatile. You can rock it any way you like. Now I'm just tucking my hair away by twisting it and just wrapping it around the base of the ponytail. And then, of course, using my bobby pins. Now I'm just slapping that wig on, making sure to pull the drawstring so that it is secure. If you kept the combs in, you can also secure them into your hair. To me, that's bald-headed ting, so I don't do that. Now you're going to take the drawstring and you're going to wrap it around the base of the ponytail, not only to hide the string, but to further secure it. And of course, you're going to use a little bobby pin. Just make sure you got your bobby pins. I know bobby pins be disappearing and stuff. Make sure you got your bobby pins. Now you're going to take some hair from the side and also just wrap it around the base just to make it as natural as possible. When the wind blows, we don't want our secrets revealed. And you're going to use what? A bobby pin. Like, girl. Look at. Ah! I just love this ponytail. I don't like wearing my hair in a ponytail very often, but sis, I'm gonna have to pull out the ponytail for y'all because it is just such a cute style. And you can also pin the hair up and you can rock it as a bun. Ain't that cute? Yeah, girl. Now I'm showing you one last style. We're gonna rock it as a little side pony. So I'm just pulling out another scarf. I got so many scarves, y'all. And this is a very simple wrap. I don't get very fancy with it. I just tie it and secure it in the back. Now I'm just going to loosen my hair, adjust it a little bit. Sometimes you may need to pin it a little bit. And that's it, y'all. Like, how many styles did I even do? And I could do maybe like 100 more. It's just so bomb. But that's it, y'all. We've come to the end of the video. Definitely let me know what your favorite style was. I'm definitely team ponytail. It's just something effortless and beautiful about it. I feel so pretty right now. I'm wearing minimal makeup. My hair is just slicked back a little bit. And I just look gorgeous in my opinion. But again, let me know what style you're feeling the most and the style that you're planning to rock. Once again, thank you to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video, for keeping the lights on. I really appreciate it. You're going to see this wig a lot, okay? For the rest of the summer into the fall, you will be seeing me rocking this wig because literally it gives. But that's it for now, y'all. I am outie. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and give this video a thumbs up because I know you liked it. I'll talk to y'all later.